Hi, welcome to Parrot Life. My name is Shanice, to those who don't know this channel, and this is Noah, my little Cape Parrot on my shoulder. This is the Parrot Life channel. Welcome to my new channel. I'm in the living room, aka the bird room, a totally different setting. But today's video will be about traveling and free-flying parrots. I just came back from a flight trip with BirdTricks. They were my trainers. And to those who want to see the video of our adventures with BirdTricks, flying birds, traveling in an Airbnb, what to do if you're traveling with birds, please go to the next video. We just came back from Arizona to fly with BirdTricks. They were our bird trainers from 2020, and they are just so amazing. Dave and Jamie, they were our trainers. And they do such an amazing job with birds, and for their clients, they do free flight trips for them, and we get to go to different areas of the world and states and travel with our birds and free fly them, and it's so much fun. So to those who are wondering, how do you travel with 6 birds at a free flying event or somewhere else? Let's just say in general. So it's important to have a hotel or an Airbnb that is pet friendly. So we found a very pet friendly Airbnb, and we were able to put 6 birds, and they were very kind to us. And you have to be very mindful for Airbnb for cleaning. You know, you have to clean all the bird droppings, which is very important, so you can get a really good review, because then they'll be like, oh, even if you have birds, you know, then we can host you guys. And we have a really good rating on our Airbnb, so that's why we're able to travel a lot with our birds, because we have a really good rating. And the Airbnb hosts, they usually love us because we clean a lot before the checkout. So please be mindful of that too. Time to weigh my little Noah to see how much he weighs. Let's see how much you weigh. Step down. 319. Good morning, Noah. So we are hiking and flying birds with BirdTricks, and we are in beautiful Arizona. This is the 360 view of our flying spot, and we are hiking down after flying. So when you're with BirdTricks, there's gonna be some serious hiking, so better pack some good boots, warm clothes, water, and food.
Noah, you okay?
I totally lost track of him.
Faye is trying to sneak into the kitchen. There's no cookies in the kitchen. He's trying to sneak in. This is how the other parrot's chops look like. That's my parakeet. But this is how their everyday nutrition is like. I'll make a different video about it, but briefly, when we're traveling, we always bring fresh veggies. We bought these at the farmer's market. So it's good to bring fresh veggies along the way because, you know, sometimes grocery markets are not really the freshest ones, especially in our area that we're traveling to in Arizona. There's not that much healthy ingredients for ourselves too. So yeah. Are you hungry? Here, come here. Yay! Good bird! Good bird! Yeah! Let's see what you're eating. So it's natural feeding system. Birds love spicy food. They can't feel any spiciness, so they love peppers, hot peppers and stuff like that. And I mixed broccoli, jalapenos, radish, carrots, and so forth. He's finally starting to eat veggies. He's only 5 months old, so it's good to introduce veggies at a young age so they can eat when they're older. Yeah. Good boy.